Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video I'm going to show you a really interesting and simple trick to make some awesome affiliate commissions. Okay, now we are going to create videos, but we are going to use a very simple software which most of you are familiar with and know how to use it. Okay, I have created multiple videos on this software, but still not everyone is doing this stuff, and that's the reason why you can use that and make some awesome money. You can use this also on your smartphone because there is a mobile application available to do this. Okay, and if you just have a laptop, then use your laptop. It would be a better experience to create this type of videos on your laptop to promote any of the affiliate products. Okay, so now let's get started into the video and let me show you that particular video and software which we are going to use is Canva. Okay, let me show you one of the videos which I have already created. Okay, so now you can see this is a video which is related to best tab exercises. You can see now all of you may have seen this type of videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can see that this type of videos really get a ton of views and they are really very simple to create. Now how you can create this type of very simple videos, and you can also promote your affiliate link. So this is the last slide in this video where I am telling that to get my best weight loss plan, visit the link in bio. Okay, so this is something which I created for Instagram, but if you want to create this for YouTube, you just need to type in that to get my best weight loss plan, visit the link in description. Okay, so this is how you can create this type of very simple content and you can start promoting your affiliate products. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is come on to canva.com and sign up for canva.com. But before we start into the tutorial, if you are interested in making a ton of money online, I'm just saying that really a ton of money online and a sustainable stream of income, then there is something which is there for you. The first link in the description, that is this completely awesome training on affiliate marketing which a very renowned affiliate guru is gonna teach you. Okay, he is someone who has helped me make this money. I have bought this course myself and I have learned a lot of it from it, and I am making money with using that particular system. So I am just recommending you that system which I have used to make some money online, and that system is there in the first link in the description, so you can click it out. Okay, if you are interested in making money sustainably. But if you don't have money for that, then you can just check out this video and make some money just by watching this. Okay, so the first thing is done. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for Canva. Okay, you don't need to purchase a Canva Pro account. It's okay if you have a free Canva account. Okay, so get the free Canva account. So the first step has been completed. You have got the free Canva account. Now all you need to do is click on this videos. You can see over here a video icon is appearing. Okay, so this video icon, all you need to do is click that, and just you need to click on the slideshow video. You can create a full HD video out of it. Okay, so the thing is that you can now select any of the templates, but I have already made some templates so which you can already use. So you can see there will be an interface just like this which will appear on your screen. Okay, so all you need to do is select one of the templates whichever you love. So you can just select any of this template and add it to your screen just by dragging and dropping. Okay, so for now I don't want to change the template. That's the reason why this template is over here. Okay, so now you just had your first template which is added. Okay, so now if you want to replace this image and all that stuff, you can just go over here to photos and you can replace this background image. Or if you want to add a video, then you just need to upload a video over here. Now where can you find all these copyright free videos? So there is a website which is known as pexels.com. So I just searched for ab exercise and you can see I found all these videos which are related to abs. Okay, so you can see all these videos are related to exercise which are related to apps. Okay, so you can see there are a ton of videos and you can download all these videos absolutely for free from this website. Okay, so you can just download as many videos as you want. Once you have downloaded this videos, all you need to do is click on this upload, click on videos, and you just need to drag and drop the videos to over here, and your videos will be ready to use for you. Okay, so the first step has been completed. You have got your videos. Okay, now the second step is that you just need to drag your videos into the timeline. Just drag and drop it over here. Now if you want to add some text over here, you can just click on this text and you can just drag and drop it. Okay, so I have already dropped this text over here, and you can see I have changed the best apps. Okay, let's type in best apps exercises for 2020. Now once your first thing is done, all now you need to do is press the second. Okay, just let me just remove the stuff because there has been some problem with this. Okay, so you can see now, I don't know why the second page is not loading over here. Okay, so now all you need to do is the first page is created. Now you can just click on the second, like there will be a tab just like this. All you need to do is click on add new tab, and then you can add this. Okay, so all I went over here, drag this and dropped it over here, and just selected a text and put this text of squats over here, and you can see this way I have made the second thing. Okay, so now if you want to add the third one, you can just click on this plus, and you can see now you can add even more videos to it if you want to. Okay, so if you want to add this one, all you need to do is drag and drop it over here. So your video has been added, and you can then resize it. Okay, then you can just click on this text and you can just add any of the text as per your choice. Okay, so the text will be over here. Okay, now let's high leg crunches. Okay, so then you can just move it over here and there, and you can see this one is also added over here. In this way, now you can add multiple of this and create an entire video just out of this. Okay, and in the end of the video or in the starting of the video, you just need to add a slide just like this, so which is a call to action, so that people can understand that if they want the best weight loss plan, which is your recommendation, then they should check out link in description. Okay, so you can see you can just add something like this in the ending or in the starting of the video, and once you are satisfied and you have created the entire video, you just need to click on this download, and then you can download this video. So once your video is downloaded, you just need to add some copyright free music to that video, and that can be done with YouTube audio library. Just go to Google and find out some copyright free music from YouTube audio library, download it to your computer, and you can then add it to your video. Okay, using any of the software, free softwares which are available. Okay, so the personally I want to recommend you one software which is known as OpenShot. I don't know, openshot.org. Just go to this website. I don't know why I cannot go to this website. Maybe there's some internet problem, but you have got the idea that you just need to download this software, free software, which is OpenShot video editor. Get some copyright free music from YouTube audio library, and you just need to add it to that. Okay, so it's really simple, and you can make multiple videos just like this. If you spend 1 hour a day, you can make 2 videos just like this, and then you can upload those videos to your YouTube channel, and you can recommend any of the products within the description. Okay, so if you are making videos which are related to fitness, then you can just provide something which is related to fitness in as a description in the description. Okay, so just go to ClickBank, search for the health and fitness products. If you are making a video which is in which you are sharing 5 tips to make more money online, then you can just make that video and then you can provide any of the make money online products affiliate link in the description. That's really simple and really easy. As well as you can also provide Amazon affiliate links in the description of these videos, and you can also make money out of that. So this is really simple, really easy, and most of the people will be able to do it and create this type of videos, because Canva is really a very simple and easy to use platform, and most of the people are able to use it, and that's why reason you can make money with affiliate marketing using this very simple free platform, which most of the people are not doing, and most of the people are confused to start and how to start affiliate marketing, from where they can earn the money. But it's really this simple to start doing affiliate marketing with free traffic without spending a dime. Okay, so this is really simple, really easy, and you just need to make some money online. And if you want something which is really sustainable and really good affiliate system that can make you a sustainable income, check out first link in the description. As well as you can follow me on Instagram, the link is there in the description, and you can DM me if you have any problems regarding make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.